Hey guys, David Fallour here again on another installment of the AMT 18-inch Enterprise build as the Constitution. So last night I was working on the lower saucer section. Tonight I'm going to do a little painting on the upper saucer section, so I'm going back to that one. It's going to be the bolt cover or whatever that long piece is on the back that ends right at the impulse vents. I'm sure somebody will tell me what that is, but long story short is I've already masked everything off, and I'll show you here in just a minute. But I've got everything masked off, and I'm getting ready to hit it with some gray. Let me switch this around, and you'll be able to see it. Okay, so here you go. I've got the upper saucer section really nicely protected from unwanted paint. So what I did is I taped this off using that Tamiya curve tape that I was telling you about in another clip. Anyway, it tapes off those curves really nicely and isolates the shape just the way I wanted it. And then I go for the broad strokes with the frog tape to kind of isolate it right around it. And then I use Glad cling wrap all the way around the big broad areas because it works so nicely to do it that way. So now I'm going to hit it with some paint and we'll cover that up and it'll look great. All right, so I've got the saucer section on my spray box that I've kind of rigged up with a Lazy Susan and a little piece of flooring actually. It's just nice when I've got longer pieces and I need to spin it around. And I've got it nicely positioned so I can go all the way around without stopping. So I'm getting ready to hit this little area right here on the back of the saucer section. I'm going to be using Tamiya surface primer. It's just gray, and I've got it all shook up, and we're just going to hit it with some light coats. Back on this side, and we're going to let that dry. Turn it upside down to hit that so it doesn't clog. So we're going to let that dry, and we're going to come back to it later and see how it looks.